So, dear students, now we will move ahead in this chapter number 1 of class 7 science, nutrition in plants. Okay, so till now we have discussed about the photosynthesis, how the process of photosynthesis taking place in plants. This we have discussed till now. So today we will move ahead in this sequence. So let me tell you about, see, in the process of photosynthesis. Suppose this is the tree. Okay, this is the tree. This you can say it's a tree. This is the tree. Okay, so the leaf, suppose let's say this is the leaf of the tree, and the leaf of the tree, it needs CO2 for the preparation of food. CO2 means carbon dioxide, so it will take carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, and it needs sunlight also, so it will take sunlight. Okay, and this leaf needs water and minerals also. So the water and minerals will be provided by the roots. So through the roots, the water, or you can say the mineral, water and mineral goes up through the roots to the leaves. Okay, so with the help of all these three, the plants are making, the leaves are making their food. Okay, now while we are talking about the water is going up, and when the leaf, so let's say this is the leaf, and when the leaf is making food, and this food will be transported to all parts of the plants. So for these two things we have the special vessels. Through the separate vessel, the water and mineral will go up, and through some other vessels, the food which has been produced there, this will be supplied to the roots also, to other parts also. So you have two types of vessels which are present here. Okay, so the trees have, you can write here, the trees have two types of vessels. The trees have two types of vessel. First one, the vessel through which the water and the mineral from the roots goes up. So this one vessel will be called xylem. So first one is xylem, Xylem. So you can write, these are the vessels. These are the vessels through which water and minerals are transported to the leaves. So the vessels through which the water and the minerals are transported are known as xylem. And when the leaves are making food, and this food will be transported to all parts of the plant, so that one vessel through which the food is transported to the roots also, to other parts also, so this one vessel will be called phloem. Okay, so next type of vessels are phloem, Phloem, phloem. Okay, so phloem are the vessels through which food is transported. Okay, so you can write here, these are the vessels through which food is transported. So the vessels through which the food is transported are known as phloem. Okay, so this was about the means the vessels which are used for transportation of water and mineral and the food. Okay, now we will talk about how the process of photosynthesis taking place in deserts. Desert, you can see there is lack of water. Okay, but for the photosynthesis you need water also, mineral also, carbon dioxide also, sunlight also. But when you are going to the desert area like in the Rajasthan etc., so there is lack of water. So how this photosynthesis process will take place there, that we have to read now. Okay, so the next heading which you have to write here, first you note it down. If you have noted, then you will write the next topic, photosynthesis process in desert area. Okay, heading will be process of photosynthesis. You can write process of photosynthesis in desert areas. So how the process of photosynthesis will take place in the desert area, this we will study right now. Now students, if you see the leaves in the desert area have spines over them. They have spines, like, let's say, we can see usually the plants which are grown there in the desert area, they are cactus. So let's say, suppose this is the cactus. So over the cactus you will see some spines are there like this. So why is the benefit of, what is the benefit of these spines? This you have to understand. See, there is a benefit for this. Why this so? Let me tell you here. Now you can see the plants of the desert areas have spines. S-P-I-N-E-S. Have spines. Why do they have the spines? If they would be having flat like leaves like we have here, we have flat leaves here right now. So these flat leaves are taking carbon dioxide, taking water and minerals also, and taking the sunlight also, and they are making their food. But at the same time they are giving out the water also. This process is known as transpiration. Transpiration means the process through which the leaves are giving out water. Suppose you have this one leaf. This is the leaf here, flat leaves. Okay, so its area is more and more, this much more area. So when the process of transpiration will occur, in process of transpiration there are small holes in the leaves which you call the stomata, and through these holes the water also comes out from the leaf. Okay, so now if the leaves are flat, it will be having more and more area, so more and more water will come out. Okay, so but there is lack of water in the desert area. In the desert area there is no water, very less water. So if there is very less water and the leaves are flat, so what would happen? All the water will come out from the leaves and the plant will not grow, the plant will die there. Okay, so that is the reason there are cactus like plants which have the spines, and spines are like this. Spines very thin, like you can take it like this. Okay, spines are like this. Okay, and its area is very less area, so the water which will come out under the process of transpiration, the water will come lesser water from this one. Flat leaves have more area, so more water will come out. Spines have less area, so less water will come out. So that is the reason that because there is lack of water and less water will come out, and the plant will survive there in the desert area. That's why the cactus like plants are surviving there in the desert area, and the leaves which are having the flat leaf are not surviving, will die there in the desert area. So cactus like plants are surviving there in the desert area. This is the reason. Okay, why? Because the spines over them have the lesser surface area, less area, and the when the process of transpiration will occur, so lesser water will come out. and the plant will survive there. Okay, so this is what I am writing here. So the plants of the desert area have spines, and the benefit, here you can write, and the benefit of this is that the lesser water will come out under the process of transpiration. Less water will come out and this plant will survive. Here more water will come out, so this plant will die there because there is lack of water. Okay, so such plants are surviving there in the desert area. The plants of the desert areas have spines, and the benefit of this is that the lesser water will come out under the process of transpiration and the plant will survive. You can write here, and the plant will survive. So such plants are surviving there and the plant will survive. Okay, so this is the reason that cactus plants are grown there in the desert area. If someone asking you why the cactus plants are grown there in the desert area, why such plants having such leaves are not grown there in the desert area, so answer will be because the leaf of such plants would be having more and more area, so more and more water will come out, but there is lack of water in the desert area, so this plant will die there. And the plants which are having the spines over them like cactus will survive there because the spines have lesser surface area, and when the process of transpiration will undergo, so lack of water will come out, and therefore if there is lack of water in the desert area, such plants can survive. Are you getting this? So what would be the reaction of photosynthesis in the desert area? For the desert area, the reaction of photosynthesis would be like this. Photosynthesis reaction. So first they will take carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, and the roots will provide water, and in the presence of sunlight they will make food. And what they will give now? They will give oxygen. They will not give water. The plants in the desert area will not give water, but the plants in here, with the plants which are here, they will give out water also. Under the process of transpiration, they will give out water also. Are you getting this? But the plants of the desert area will not give water because they have the spine leaves, and the spinal leaves have the lesser surface area, so lesser water is coming out, so more and more oxygen will come out. Are you getting this? So this will be the reaction for the desert area. Are you getting this? Okay. Now the next very important topic which we will discuss in the upcoming lecture. Okay then, keep watching. Stay tuned.